In this video, we're going to be talking about the factor theorem. So, the factor theorem says that a polynomial f of x has a factor of x minus k if and only if f of k equals 0. And so here we're going to use the remainder theorem, which involves synthetic division, in order to show that x minus 2 and x plus 3 are indeed factors of the polynomial 2x to the fourth plus 7x to the third minus 4x squared minus 27x minus 18. So we're going to go ahead and we see that if we look at all of our terms here, when we look at our terms, that there are no gaps in the degrees. And so we're able to use all of those leading coefficients. So we're going to use 2, 7, negative 4, negative 27, and negative 18. And let's go ahead and let's do our x minus 2 first. So we're going to take x minus 2 and set it equal to 0, which gives us x equals 2. And so this is going to be my first k value that we're checking. So I'm going to put my 2 there. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to do my synthetic division. So I bring down my 2. And remember, whenever we're moving diagonally, we get to multiply. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then vertically, we add. 7 plus 4 is 11. And I'm going to move diagonally again, so I need to multiply. But the 2, I'm ignoring that 2. So 2 times 11, which is 22. I'm moving vertically again, so I get to add. So 22, or negative 4 plus 22 is 18. I'm going to move diagonally. So 18 times 2 is going to be 36. I have a vertical movement, so I get to add. Negative 27 plus 36 is 9. I'm going to move diagonally, so I get to multiply 9 times 2, and I get a positive 18. Vertically, I get to add, and negative 18 plus 18 is 0. So the factor theorem says that if this value right here is a 0, that means that x minus 2 is in fact a factor. And so we just shown that x minus 2 is a factor. So let's try it with x plus 3. So we already know we can use our same values, our leading coefficients in order. Here we're going to take now our x plus 3, right? So we're going to take that and we're going to set that equal to 0 and see that we're working with x equals negative 3. So this is going to be our second k value. So plug in a negative 3. So what I want you to do is I want you to do this, and I want you to see, do you in fact get a 0 over here? So push pause, and then when you're done, push play, and let's see if you were right. So we're going to start by bringing down our 2, and we're going to be moving diagonally, so that means we're going to be multiplying. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. A vertical movement means we get to add. 7 plus negative 6 is 1. We're moving diagonally again. So 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Now we add. Negative 4 plus negative 7. Sorry, negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7. Diagonally, negative 7 times negative 3 is a positive 21. Then we add. Negative 27 plus 21 is a negative 6. Now we get to multiply. Negative 6 times negative 3 is a positive 18. And we get to add, and we're going to get a 0, just like we needed to. And it doesn't always work out, but it did in this case. So here we just showed that x plus 3 is a factor. So we've done our job, and we've shown that they are in fact both factors.